Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And this is actually one of the hardest video I have ever made. Actually, this is the hardest video I have ever made. Maybe because this was about our cat, Enya. She unfortunately no longer with us. She was put down last Saturday, and it was just so heartbreaking, and it was so painful, and I couldn't explain how I felt that day, because she was very loving. She was so adorable. She was just a princess. She had this beautiful soul, and I have never felt so much pain and loss until, like, I think the last time that I have felt that way was when my grandpa passed away. It was like long years ago, and maybe that's the reason why, because I have never experienced loss in a long time. She was almost 12 years old when she was put down. And yesterday we got Enya's ashes. That's the box right there. I don't know, I felt so happy when I saw the box and her ashes. Maybe because I felt like she's home. You know, she's safe. So I always light a candle every time I come home. And I'm just gonna put like pictures and videos of her that I kept over the years, and just to celebrate her life and memories, you know. Like, I love you, Enya. No matter where you are, me, Daddy, and I love you so much, and your memories will always stay in our hearts. And sweetie, I love you, and this video is for you.
Every now and then we find a special friend who never lets us down, who understands it all, reaches out each time we fall. You're the best friend that I found. I know you can't stay, but part of you will never ever go away. Your heart will stay. I'll make a wish for you and hope it will come true, that life will just be kind, such a gentle man. If you lose your way, think back on yesterday. Remember me this way. Remember me this way.